What's up everyone, welcome back to Tech with Joseph. Today we are checking out the brand new Itel Power 80, a budget smartphone that promises a huge battery, a smooth 120x display, a durable design and a 50 megapixel camera, all without breaking the bank. But is this actually worth buying? Let's find out. Firstly, we talk about the design. The first thing we notice is the rugged looking back panel. It has a unique industrial design that makes the phone stand out from other budget smartphones. Despite packing a massive 7000 mAh battery, the phone still feels comfortable in the hand. It also comes with IP68 and IP69 water and dust resistance, giving it that extra durability and extra confidence for everyday use. Let's go to the display. Itel Power 80 features a 6.78-inch HD Plus IPS display with a 120Hz refresh rate. The higher refresh rate makes scrolling through social media, browsing the web, and navigating the interface feel more smoother than a traditional 60Hz display. Brightness is decent indoors, while colors look vibrant enough for watching YouTube, TikTok, and Netflix. Performance. Under the hood, the phone is powered by the Unisoc T7 250 octa-core processor, paired up to 6GB of RAM and additional virtual RAM for everyday tasks like WhatsApp, Facebook, Instagram, web browsing, and watching videos. Light gaming also runs well, although demanding games require lower graphics settings. For the software, it runs on Android 16, giving you access to the latest Android features and security improvements. Now let's talk about the cameras. On the back, you get a 50 megapixel AI camera, while the front houses an 8 megapixel selfie camera. Photos taken during the day are sharp with good colors. Portrait mode works reasonably well, and selfies are decent for video calls and social media. As expected in this pricing, low light photography isn't the phone's strongest point, but overall the cameras perform well for everyday use. Battery. One of the biggest highlights of this phone is the battery. The Itel Power 80 packs a massive 7000 mAh battery, which can easily last up to 2 days for most users. Whether you are streaming videos, browsing social media, gaming, or making calls, battery anxiety becomes a thing of the past. When it's time to recharge, you get an 18-watt fast charging through a USB Type-C port, although this is a very slow charging speed compared to other predecessors. So what are the advantages of buying this phone? You get a massive 7000 mAh battery, smooth 120Hz display, attractive and durable design, decent 50 MP camera and Android system. But this phone also comes with some cons, such as the phone is not perfect, has an HD plus resolution which is not as sharp as full HD displays. There is no 5G support, and heavy gamers may find the processor a little bit limited. So should you buy the Itel Power 80? Let's answer this question in the comment section.